Hey coffee lovers, so today I'm going to unbox this beautiful espresso machine from our friends at Urintells Espresso. Stay tuned for the unboxing. The machine comes with this manual. This manual tells you everything about the machine, so let's continue with the unboxing. This portafilter surprised me because it's heavy, well made. It comes with a single and a double shot basket. Additional, it comes with a scoop, which is also a tamper. It's plastic, so if you want to buy another tamper, I would recommend you to do so. The capacity of the water reservoir is about 1.25 liters. The capacity for the water tray is very small. Once you turn on the machine, normally it takes like less than 30 seconds to be ready. Always read these useful tips. Now the machine has 4 buttons. This is for making Americano, this is for a single espresso, double espresso, and to steam milk. You can also control the temperature of each shot. This is the pipe where you get the hot water while making the Americano. And this is the head where you will make your espresso. Very easy to set the volume for single or double shot of espresso with this machine. The only thing that you need to do is press the single or the double shot for 3 seconds until you hear the beep. Let me show you. That beep. So it will brew your espresso until you stop it. For example, I want it to stop at 30 seconds, then when it reaches 30 seconds, you stop it. And the machine will remember for the next time that you set up your single espresso for 30 seconds. The same applies for the double shot of espresso. For frothing milk, this is what you need to do. Press here. It will start setting up. You press there, then it is ready. Okay? You move the steam one here. You don't want a mess around, and you turn it on. You see? When the water stops and it's doing this, the machine is ready to start frothing your milk. Now let's make a latte together. Let me leave you with the preparation. The double basket can allow you to have between 13 to 15 grams of coffee. However, in my experience, 13 give you the better results. Before pulling your shot, always warm up your machine. Always. That's a beautiful espresso shot. See all that crema. Oh my god. Something that I love from this machine is the steam one. It's very powerful. Like you just need 40 seconds to warm up your milk and you are ready to do your latte art. And there we have our latte art. Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.